Hello, this is Beam Studio, and today I will show you how to create the door on a curtain wall. So here we got a basic wall with layers, and we have also got the curtain wall. So when we want to create a door on this basic wall, we just go to door and we will place it here uh, like that. But if we want to create a door on this curtain wall, we can't do this. We can't place the door on this curtain wall, so I will hit escape and now we'll show you how to create a door on a curtain wall. First, you need to zoom in. You place your mouse on one segment of this curtain wall on one panel like that, and you choose the panel with the tab key like that. On select glass only panel, glass panel, you see glass is highlighted and it says that, so I hit it and you need to unpin it. Once you have unpinned it, you go to properties, and you find system panel glass. When I developed system panel glass, I found here system panels. I didn't find a door. So it is empty here. So I will download a door, glass door from the library. I will go to here and insert root family. Takes a few seconds. Sorry about that. I'll just check my VPN connection. Yes. Now I will find in the English library. So I will search for doors. I find here like curtain wall double storefront, and here is door curtain wall single glass. Now when I hit this glass panel like that, I can find my door here. It's my door. So I can flip it and like this with the arrows like that, and you can also with the millions here like change the dimensions for the door. I select the million, unpin it, and you can change the direction, change the dimension with this temporary direction, like maybe 1,300 like that. So we can change the dimension of the door. You can select this place, the million, and you need to unbend one of them. You hit here, you write in the dimension you want, and now you have a smaller door. Now, if we go to the 3D, we can find, if I put it like fine, we can find our door here. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more helpful videos.